Multiply. It's what we call 1, 2, 3 program. Pagkasabi nga?
1, 2, 3 program.
1, 2, 3, pero the positive way ko. 1, 2, 3, one person in 2 weeks, in 3 months program. Guys, the reason why we're here right now is para dumami ang tao. Iba yung online, iba yung offline.
Nice.
Are you with me?
Yes.
Maraming tao through our trainings kanina from 5 fingers from prospecting, invitation, presentation, and closing. Pag atento ng tama yan, people will multiply. Kapag dumadami ang tao natural, automatic, dumadami ang mga activities. One-on-one presentation, home party, centering. Are you with me?
Yes.
Pag dumadami siya activities, automatic, sales, points, production will follow. At kapag meron tayo mga points, products, gumagalaw, may mga production, ito na yung income. Pag may income, yung dreams, yung goals natin, makukuha.
Kukuha.
Kailangan importante, meron tayo target. Now, look at this. This is what to expect. Are you ready?
Yes.
Number 1. Gusto nyo maging silver executive in just 2 months? You have a chance, the possibility na kumita ng 3.7 million in just 6 months.
Wow.
Malaki yan, amount na yan. Pero tanong, paano ginagawa? Sisimplihan natin. What to do? Number 1, there are 4 weeks in 1 month. There are 12 weeks in 3 months. Get 1 New Year's registration for 2 weeks for the next 3 months. Ibig sabihin, isang New-Verse lang, isang prospect lang na mag-New-Verse registration for 2 weeks sa loob ng 3 buwan. Kaya ba? O kaya-kaya?
Kaya.
New-Verse na lang yan. Totoo, sagot mo. Kaya-kaya. Ito ang mangyayari niya. Just imagine, in 12 weeks, in 3 months, sa Get 1 New-Verse registration for 2 weeks, 6 New-Verse package. 6 tao na seryoso, na tutulungan, i-guide, tuturuan natin gawin step by step. Hindi ka mahirapan kasi meron tayong sistema na susundin. Ang importante lang, handa-handa, ikaw mismo at yung katabi nyo. The power of the program, paano tumatakbo yan? Look at this figure. 1 month to 6 months. If you see the first week pa lang, first week, isang tao lang. Ikaw lang na nag-join. On the 3rd week, isi-share mo yung ating program. Naging 3 na kayo. Paano yun? 1, 2, mas ikaw, 3. On the 3rd week, ang iyong master's bonus income is 1,500. Yung 3, kukuha lang ng tigi-1. 6 na, plus ikaw. 7 na on the 5th week. At on the 7th week, yung 7, kukuha ng tig-1, naging 14 plus ikaw, naging 15. On the 3rd week, yung 15, kumuha ng tig-1, naging 30 plus ikaw, kumuha ng panibago, 31. Week 11, naging 63. Week 13, 126, and so on and so forth. Yan pa lang yung number of directs ninyo. And look at the master's bonus income. From 1.5 on the 2nd week, on 5th week, naging 8,000. 7 and 8th week, naging 6,000. 9 and 10th week, naging 12,000. Look at this. On your 11th week, 12th week, 24,000. Week 13 and week 14, 47,250. Hanggang tumabot tayo ng 6 week to 1.4 million. Malaki ba o napakalaki? Kaya ba o kaya-kaya? Imagine, isang tao sa loob ng 2 linggo in 3 months. Ang total income in just 6 months, potential income, is 2,190,000. Sabihin kaya, pwede na mag-umpisa magbago ang mga buhay ninyo? Magiging komportable ka na ba niyan? Ang matindi, nag-uumpisa pa lang yan. What if, aside from get one new package in 2 weeks for 3 months, ikaw at ang iyong buong team will do the PMA every month? Just imagine, total dalawang C 24/7 lang every month ang gagawin mo at ang buong grupo ninyo. Look at this possible income. First month nyo pa lang, ang unit level income mo, 100 pesos. Ang total niya, after 6 months, 151,200. Yan ay sa unit level income pa lang. Meron pa tayong stress level income. Magkano yan? 907,200. And good news, sa UPP mo, umabot ng 241,000. Kapag yan ay itinodal mo lahat, ano mangyayari? Monetary income, pwede kayong maging silver executive sa loob ng dalawang G on the 4th month and global ambassador on the 6th month.
Wow.
Maganda ba o na? Maganda.
Maganda.
In just 6 months, nag-accumulate ng income kasama ang Unilever, Stress Type, and UPP ng 3,735,000 pesos. Palagpakan naman natin yan. And what if, aside from get one in 2 weeks for 3 months, you and your team, hindi dalawang C 24/7 ang kinuha. Kinuha sa ng mga tigil-5 every month. Pag nangyayari yan, maganda ba ang ating products?
Yes.
Pag maganda ang products, automatic na po, kwento kayo. People will use, people will try the products, at habang nangyayari yan, palaki ng palaki ang mga income. Bigger income, bigger bonus, and faster promotion. Ladies and gentlemen, ang tanong ng iba, paano ba uumpisahan yan step by step? Kaya ito na po yung ating program. Yung ating 1, 2, 3 program guide. Isang booklet. Okay? Step by step, nandito lahat ang dapat yung gawin. Ang tanong, this is just a mock-up copy. Okay? Kaya namin kinukuha yung mga pangalan na mag-join at meron kami existing na nagbagong pay-ins. Lahat nag-join nag-start ng July hanggang August 10, magkakaroon kayo ng copy nito.
Wow.
Di ba? Minimal lang ang presyo nito. Okay? Barya-barya ang presyo. Basta importante, ikaw na nag-join from July 1st hanggang August 10, magkakaroon ka ng kopya at pati na yung direct sponsor nyo. Yan! Maganda ba yung napaganda? Paano man yung hindi nakasama dito? Meron kami separate program sila magkakaroon din nito. Eh bakit kayo inuna? Kaya kayo inuna kasi yung grupo ninyo ang nag-commit, nagdala ng tao sa office para sa kanilang lahat. For so many months, yung dating ng tao sa opisina, konti-konti lang. But nag-start tayo ng entry program, and proud to say, I'm happy to say, almost every day, puno ng ating head office. Maganda ba yun? At mamaya, yung ibang detalye, hindi ako magbabagsak noon. Magugulat kayo at excited lalo kapag pinesent sa iyo yung ating next program. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, huwag kayo mag-alala, lahat, paano mga bago mag-pay-in? Magkakaroon din po ng ganito, at lahat ng mga sponsor, yung mga direct sponsor, magkakaroon din. Announcement! Schedule ko sa office. Every day! Everyone say every day. Every day, open ang office natin. Every 4 p.m., may mga schedule doon. Nakapost ito sa ating screen at nakapost din sa ating Facebook page, di ba? 4 p.m. and every 7 p.m., yan po yung ating mga regular na mga seminar. If you will notice, yung 7 p.m. may LCOP, LT, and CSEL. LCOP and CSEL on Tuesday. NDO. Ito yung Hapon Day, NDO or Nego Day. How to do the business step by step. And I encourage everyone, lalo na, umattend kayo ng product training at nagkukontak niyan, nag-episode niyan, nag-desdan sa ating Dr. Boots Villena. Dr. Boots, thank you. Welcome to the season. Yan ang ating mga schedule. Maganda ba o napakaganda? Every day, 4 p.m. and 7 p.m.
Oh,
Good news! September 29, 2024, magkakaroon ng big event tulad ng ganito. Diyan naman gagawin sa Inaris Sports Arena. Para yung mga bago, na bago na prospect, na bago na imbitahan, at na bago na presentahan, kailangan din na-experience sila yung na-experience nyo ngayon. Maganda ba? Maganda.
ganda.
Yan po ang ating entry initiative, Metro Manila